Yes, welcome back. The program now yarn your own, and I don't hear what we don't talk so far on divorce matter and the consequences we surround them. Still back to the house. Make we chip in. At least briefly chip in a few other things.
As for me, I don't think say divorce not the best option. Because we need to think of what these children they face. You understand? So, and for now, woman and man will divorce. You come out. Court goes, okay, my papa take pikin, or mama take pikin. This woman go go back, go remarry. Another man go come, be the pikin papa. And those companies, and then there's they lead their children to all this sexual harassment.
But bear in mind, say, I know one completely agree. But bear in mind, say, it gets some of these same remarried people where they go marry. We go see handle that pikin as if na their own pikin.
But what about the one when don't handle pikin as if say na own?
Now because the husband give am the chance. I start saying no being born.
No being born.
You go try to make the how.
Okay, well, Iye, I beg, talk to our viewers. Give them one last talk, I beg.
My people, I know say divorce good, but you where you fall inside the victim of divorce. Make una do am jeje. Make una take am easy. Anybody, Yoruba say suru oba iwa. Make una get patient very well.
Big bash.
For me, for the first stage when I go the house, they talk now for better, for worse. But if the worst no better, I better find solution to yourself.
Yeah, good do.
Divorce no good. Husband and wife hold the divorce, no good. And to make government look into this matter, put law. We not the mama. Now, in cause of the divorce or papa cause for divorce, to do that, know the rules and regulation. What they go just put for that so that divorce no go the happen again. I don't know what to talk.
I want to steal from the word. Government, please. Though there is law, but before now go divorce that woman and man will come into now. Make una check out well. Is that reason good enough for them to be separated? Please check.
Yes, I don't hear them. Is that reason, whether it is good enough for the couple to separate? So now on this note, we go end today's edition of Yarn Your Own. Until we carry on that matter coming our way again next week. From all of us here, now bye-bye. Bye.
Divorce.